are going to vlog today kasi ipapa-repair or ipapa-service ni Papa yung kanyang bike. So it's up there right now. Can you see it, guys? Wait lang ha. Hindi ko siya makita. Yun. That's the one. So samahan ko siya sa Hargroves. Hindi pantay ang aking kilay. Ha? The Hargroves. So magpapa-service kami ng car today and it's the 12th of April. Medyo na-lift na yung yung lockdown ngayon. Mag-o-open ang mga shops, pero we decided not to go muna kasi delikado pa. Go to the shops. So pakita ko lang sa inyo guys yung pupuntahan namin mamaya. So stay with us and we will be right back. So here's my driver. Ito ng kanyang love na bike. It's up there. And we are going on a trip. Kami lang muna ngayon. So look at the traffic. Mulan kahapon guys, medyo na-slow.
Ulan na naman dyan, no? Yung dark clouds.
Dark clouds there. There's McDonald's, there's KFC. Hungry? We just had our breakfast guys. So, may pakita namin sa inyo. I-reverse na daw niya. So that's the one, that's the cycling, ano yung pangalan? Cycle shop. Hair shop. Yan siya. So reverse lang. Papa. Yan natin kung paano niya ibaba mamaya. Sundan natin siya. I'm just gonna go out.
Makita ka ng kayo.
Bakit?
Saan ka nila sa ano?
I know, I wanna come. Wait guys. Labas tayo. Ay, ang lamig. Bakit malamig? There's Papa. Wait. Ano Papa? Ano may bababayan? Okay. Alis na siya. Oopsie. Oh my. Gaan naman eh. Okay. Tit. Papa, smile. Okay, pasok na niya. Okay. I just need to wear my mask. Ito lang natin. Sarado pa yata. Okay, hanggang dito na lang siguro ako. Okay. You okay? Ganda ng shop nila. Guys, na-drop na namin yung biking Sherhan. Hindi ako masyadong nakapag-vlog doon kasi nahihiyang aking artist of the year. Nahiya siya. Pero nakakuha ko ng konting clip lang. So we're just gonna go to Morrison's. Magkuhan kami doon. Mag-shopping sandali. So we are now in Totten. So part pa rin siya ng Southampton. So, yun lang. Ikot lang kami. Tingin kami sandali.
Uy, bukas na yung car wash. No, open na.
Oo, that's good, no? May Toton, Christian Sansa. Ikot lang kami sa Morrison's and then that's it. So yun lang, we will update you again later. Matagal pa yun. Hi guys, dito na kami sa Morrison's. Ayun siya, oh, malaking shop. Papakakawash mo lang ng car, ah. Okay. Oh, traffic is very heavy na daw, Papa. Saan?
Kasi nasa labik ko ba?
Umikot na lahat.
Labas na, sabik, makalabas lahat yan.
Sabik lahat,
Hindi talaga
lumabas
yan.
na yun.
Tignan mo naman yung number ng car sa supermarket.
April 12 ang bukasan kasi ngayon, guys, ng mga shops dito sa England. And I think in Wales too.
In Leicester, Hinkley Road, the A47, that's closed and slow because of a car fire just before Beggars Lane. M1 North,
Sa maliliit ang car park dito eh.
Oo nga, no? Yan, ikot lang kami. We will take you inside para makita niyo yung shopping dito.
And that's because of a broken-down car in Wales.
Yung bike ni Gia,
Oo.
you just do it occasional. Kahit di mo pa-service,
So how
okay lang.
often na ipapa-service natin yung bike mo?
Depende sa mileage mo nga.
Ah.
Parang ako, nagpi-50 miles per week.
Oo.
So, imagine mo in a year, how many miles?
Oo.
Ay mapupudpud yung mga brakes, yung
Oo.
doon kailangan mong yung brake disc niya, kaya i-check, yung mga bearings.
Lahat. So magkano yun?
120 yun.
120 pounds daw, guys. Ang mahal, ah. Mahal naman mag-maintain ng bike. Sana all ipang-maintain ng bike. Papa, automatic siya.
Automatic yan nga. Lahat ng car nyo automatic na. 2,000 ano lang yan, no? 17 yan.
Ay, mahal yan. Mga nasa...
Fully loaded na yan.
So we are here now, guys. Papakuha ka ng cart, ha? And I'm
Ba't marami ka bang bibili?
Yeah, I'm gonna go and look at those plants outside. I can see some plants there na.
Puno naman na tayo.
Yun, oh, yun.
Oh,
May mga
kikiri lang
garden center sila. Doon muna ako
Ano naman
titingin.
nakalabas ng
Guys, nandito ako sa garden center nila. Wala naman. Mga outdoor na to, mga bamboo. If you want some bamboo sa bahay mo. May Papa, may bamboo. You want bamboo sa likod?
Meron ako nakita, hindi din mo nakita.
Anong nakita mo?
Basta maganda siya eh.
Wala. Lamig. Ito siguro, Papa. Ito, mga to. 18. Not bad. Ano? Saan dito? Bakit? Papa. Sa loob, guys, tingnan nyo, oh. Ang ganda ng mga monstera nila. Those are aloe veras. Those are blueberries. Oh, my blueberries. And black currants. Ang ganda. Papa, ang dami nilang indoor.
Kaya?
Tapos calling mo, yeah.
Yun nga.
Ano?
Yan.
Where is she?
Wala pa, wala pang toys. I'm gonna get to the toy section, I call you.
What? Oh, nag-join na
Yeah,
siya.
just waiting for mama. Oh, sorry, go din na?
Papa, this is what... Ang ganda, oh.
Mama, ako mo na?
Yan po.
Show ka yan, toy section.
Yeah, I'm coming.
Sorry ah.
Yeah. Okay. Sa banana plant. Guys, ito na yung napamili namin. Konti lang. Okay.
Likod na?
Sa likod na.
Hindi, sa likod lang kahit pwede naman dito.
Okay. Now there. Ako lang ito siya. Ay, ang bigat. This is so heavy. Oh, papa.
Kapag sa akin yan, para hindi ko na...
Ang bigat, ha? Yung juice kasi eh. Ah, there's our chicken. Yan ang aming lunch. Oh,
Mayroon pa doon isang wipes ko.
I know. Tsaka isang shirt ni ate. Okay. Tayo na maglagay. Balik lang natin ito. Okay. So there it is. We are going now. Okay.
Saan tayo?
Ha?
Town?
Oo.
May short
So isama namin kayo guys. Punta pa kami ng town.
Matalang na naman pupunta mo, di ba?
Hi guys! Nakauwi na kami. Nailagay na namin yung mga shinaping sa fridge. And saan pa? Sa... Maya, show us what we've got for you. We've got Maya this toy today. She loves it. Okay?
It's called Bear.
It's a cold bear. Look, oh, squishy. Ang cute. Okay, we're gonna close our vlog na, Baba. Kasi nag-vlog kami kanina when we brought Papa's bike.
Bye.
So, like and subscribe to our channel, guys.
Look, Bear wants you to.
Okay, say bye.
Bye.
Bye. Guys, singit ko lang to ha sa aming vlog for today. Dumating na yung in-order ko kay Gia na food flask. It's from Sho, S-H-O. In-order ko siya mga 2 to 3 days ago. And, kasi NHS ako, NHS si Sherhan, may code kami na nakuha. So, we got this for not 15. Yeah, $15.99 or 16 pounds kasi may 50% off kami. So, normally, it should cost about 32 pounds. So, 50% yung off namin. So, we got it for 16 pounds. So, ginagamit ng mga kids to pagka papasok sila sa school. Kasi, they always bring baon. Mas madali na kasing magbaon ngayon kaysa pumila pa sa mga canteen. Okay, so we'll open it today. So, that's the color that she wanted. Check natin, guys. And this is from Shaw. Ganda siya eh. I've had a few already. Na-order ko na sila nung first lockdown. And we really like it. Oh, malaki siya. So it comes with a box. Ang cute ng box, no? And here it goes. That's it. Ay, ang cute. So that's the food flask. Laki siya, ha? And you've got a handle here. So, madala mo siya everywhere. So, I think yung kanya, it can last up to 5 hours, I think. Yung init. Oh, that's so nice. So, it comes with obviously your lid. And then, it comes with its own spoon. And, pwede spork, sabi nga nila. So, how do you do this? It's on the other way around, and then you slide it. Is it? Oh, there. So cute. So, pwede mo siyang i-fold. Ang ganda. I like it. Oh, hindi nga lang. Okay. So, there you go. So, i-fold mo siya. Ang galing. Stainless siya. Ganda, oh. Very shiny. So, it stays in here. It stays here on the top para hindi mo siguro mawawala, no? That's so cool. So, doon siya. And then, we'll open the lid. Laki pala. So, you can baon soup or rice. Pwede mo pa rin siyang i-scoop. So, it's a nice thing, no? Ang ganda. So, yung food mo would last. Oh, pwede ka pang magsalamin after. Okay. Gia, come and have a look at your new food flask. Gia, from Shaw. Okay. So it's not microwave or dishwasher safe. Do not overfill hot contents. Okay.
Got me this colour.
Yeah. Is it nice?
Yeah.
You like it? This is for ate. So you got your own spoon. So, yung ganyan mo siya. No? Huwag doon sa side mo. Doon mo
I don't know
siya.
how. My friend has one at school.
The same?
No, it's different.
Sorry. Masira ko. Huh? Okay. Okay. And then your own. Is it too big? That's the only size you've
I
got.
like it.
Para pwede mong lagyan ng soup or no?
Yeah, beautiful.
Okay. So there you go. I hope you like this. And I hope Gia would love her new
like it.
food flask. Cute ng kulay, anak. I love it. Bye.